Hello everybody, we're the Northshorist Real Estate Group and we bring you hyper-local real estate, community, and lifestyle services. Today we're going to kind of go over an update on what's happening in the market.
So we thought we'd look at what happened last year from January through May and compare it to this year so we can see how the market has changed. So if we're going to look at the active, the under agreement, and the sales trends. And if we start with the active trends, you can see in all our North Shore cities and towns, the active properties for sale went down about 17.8%, which is contingent to whatever you're hearing on the news, lack of inventory.
Exactly, we've been talking about that in our other videos. There's just not a lot out there.
There's not much for sale. And for the active trends for the asking price, that went up 22.1%, which is obvious when sellers think there's not a lot out there, they're going to raise their price.
Raise the prices, exactly.
So the interesting thing is if you look at the contingents and the under agreements, that also went up about 18%, and that was because everything that was on the market is selling. Yeah. But what's really telling is the 2.9% is the asking, the current medium asking price. So the things that actually went under agreement are the things that are priced more appropriately, not 22% over asking price, but up about 2.9%. What do you think about the sales trends?
Well, the sales trends kind of pan out to what we were talking about. Inventory is down a little bit from what we had last year, so there's a little bit less sales, but that's really just because there's less houses on the market. But we are seeing a pretty big increase in price.
Right, that's pretty significant. 13.2%.
Yeah, 13.2% is quite up there, and we've really been seeing it in the market. People have been pretty feverishly going after the houses that are on there. The people who are ready to buy are out there, ready to go, and that has boosted the prices up as people compete and see the market getting healthier and more willing to go into the market like this.
And the interesting thing is that the under agreement prices were only up, about 3%, but this is up 13%. Which shows that there are some bidding wars going on. So things are actually selling over asking price.
Yeah. So I think, what happened was in last year, more of a regular market, things would go under agreement. That under agreement price is still the asking price.
Right.
And then you'd see that the sale price was a little bit lower than that.
Right.
Now we're seeing a lot of things go under agreement, and the sale price is actually not a lot less.
Yeah, and sometimes over.
Yeah,
sometimes
exactly.
Over. Right.
So that's where you get this balloon in sales price, where it was really smaller for the under agreement price.
So it looks like a healthy market. It's not crazy out of whack, but
no.
It's a pretty healthy market.
It looked like it was going there for a second, but it's calmed down. You just got to know what you're getting into. Education is very, very important in this market.
And pricing correctly, again, is important.
Exactly. So that's it for us this week. Hope you enjoyed our little market update. We're here every week, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to the channel. And remember, we're not just agents. We're Northshorist, just like you.